Wade, we have with us Mr. Rajiv Kumar and Mr. Samir Agrawal from Rocky Talk. Welcome.
Thanks for having us here.
To begin with, I just want to know if Rocky Talk is an ideal platform for advertising.
Absolutely. Rocky Talk is a mobile social network, and it is based on rich media. It's based on voice, photos, and video. And any advertising that comes in is really tailored for a multimedia platform.
We have proven with how good the platform is for advertising.
Yeah.
If you see our pedigree in terms of movie launches that we start with, the first campaign that happened on Rocket Talk was Luck by Chance with Big Pictures, and success, after seeing the success, we repeated the campaign for 13B. After that, we did Gulal, and now we'll be doing a couple of movie launches. Even in regular media, in terms, we were channel partners for Channel B. We launched Exhausted show. So it has been proven in terms again and again that because of the multimedia strengths of the platform, we are the next best thing that can actually happen in the world. So we are actually like a third screen on the phone.
Interesting. What kind of growth do you see in the mobile VAS industry?
The mobile VAS industry is expected to double this year. The estimates are somewhere around 53 to 5,500 crores this year. And the trigger points are the data growth, the mobile data growth, and also the access to multiple phones. There's a lot of low-cost telephones, mobile phones coming in. There's a lot of data plans being offered by the operators, and therefore the access to VAS services is going to grow by leaps and bounds this year.
Well, I guess with the ARPUs dropping on voice calls, the next best thing that operator can actually do is only data. If you see, India is the only country in the world which makes only revenue primarily on voice, and that is the whole reason that the ARPUs are so low. And transferring towards data is the natural progression for any operator. It has happened throughout the world, and it is bound to happen in India now.
Alright. Do you think that mobile social networking would be the next big thing?
Absolutely, we are in that field, right in the middle of that, and we do want mobile social networking to grow, and people want to meet other people, whether it's in bigger cities like the metros or the smaller tier 2, tier 3 cities where we at Rocket Talk see the growth. We see that people are coming in, they're wanting to meet new people, they're wanting to connect with their friends, they're wanting to exchange updates, they're wanting to share pictures, videos, sing songs, listen to discussions. All of that is going to happen, and that is all mobile social networking for you.
Well, if you see the stats in the last 13 months of our launch, we have grown from 0 to 1.6 million users in India, and a massive amount of growth is coming in India where there's less education about data. The operator is not pushing data till last 3 or 4 months. So with all these hang-ups, still when we have seen that kind of growth, I think the mobile social networking is the next big thing.
Interesting. Lastly, what trends do you see in acceptance and usage of such applications?
These applications are going to grow. I think Apple and iPhone started the trend, acceptance of applications on mobile phones. And now it is every phone vendor, they have their own app store. Every operator has their own app store. And people like us, developers like us, we have great applications. So there's going to be an explosion of applications, there's going to be an explosion of phones, there's going to be data plans. All of those come together, the ecosystem is just right for all these applications to come together.
If you see today on Rocket Talk alone, an average user comes 8.2 times in a month, and with 46 minutes of average time spent per visit. That tells you about the interactivity and usage of the platform, and that also tells that how much people have acceptance towards mobile application, and that trend is here to stay.
Thank you so much for being an usher. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramita.
Thank you so much.